Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how we can change the default search engine in the Waterfox web browser. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so step number 1, launch the Waterfox web browser, and step number 2, you may click into that button here in the drop down menu next to the URL address to select one of your preferred or one of these search engines here, like DuckDuckGo, Bing, Start Page, which is basically the default search engine here in Waterfox. And then we got also others like Google and so on and so forth. Now that's one way how we can do this. So if I, for example, select Google and here to the right enter the search term like, let us go with, I don't know, Instagram or something like that, press enter. And that is going to use Google as the search engine, as you can see. So that's one option. If you'd like to set a default search engine without switching between these search engines here in top left, guys, you will need to access your browser settings through these three lines in the top right, through this button here, and inside your browser settings navigate to general, and from there switch to search. And here, guys, you will see the current default search engine, which is, as previously mentioned, Start Page, but you may change to one of these like Google, Mojik, Quant, DuckDuckGo, and so on and so forth, guys. So simply select the one you'd like to go with, and you can do that also for incognito or private windows here, like Google, Ecosia, DuckDuckGo, Bing, or leave it at Start Page. So that's totally up to you guys. That's how I do it. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.